Alright, so unplug the grill and cut the zip tie holding all the wires together. Take a 7mm socket and remove the control panel screws. And then you can go ahead and slide the control panel out. Disconnect the low pellet alarm and the thermal sensor while you're here. And then swing underneath the grill, and we're going to disconnect the combustion fan and the auger assembly. Then you got your igniter wires here, you can pull those apart. And then look at your female receptacle here and pull off the 2 wires connected to that. Now you can just pull the control panel right off, and for your information, these wires match up diagonally. This pair goes to your power source, and this pair goes to your igniter wires. Then this bundle goes to your auger motor, and this bundle goes to your combustion fan. Now you can reconnect your combustion fan, reconnect your auger motor, reconnect your low pellet alarm, and reconnect your thermal sensor. Get those igniter wires connected, and then swing underneath and reconnect to your power source. Put your control panel back on, plug it back in, and we're good to go for a test run. Alright, and that's how you replace the control panel. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this helpful.